In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords or tags to WordPress in 2025. This process is straightforward, but adding the right keywords can significantly enhance your site's visibility and traffic. Let's dive in and get started with these simple steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once there, look for the login button, usually located on the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. This will take you to the login page where you'll see several sign-in options. Next, to make things easier, click on the Continue with Google button. This option allows you to seamlessly log in through your Google account, ensuring you don't have to remember another password. Once you've clicked this, a window will pop up displaying the Google account you have signed into on your device. Here, simply choose the Google account you'd like to use to access WordPress. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled Posts on the left-hand menu and select it. This will present you with several options related to your blog posts. Now direct your attention to the Tags option within the Posts menu. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page where you can manage existing tags or create new ones. Tags are essentially keywords that help categorize and make your posts more searchable, improving their reach and engagement. You're now ready to add a new tag. In the designated tag name field, type in the keyword you'd like to associate with your posts. This could be anything relevant to your content that you believe users might search for. Along with the tag name, you might want to provide a brief description in the tag description field. This is optional but can help clarify the tag's purpose, especially if multiple people are managing your site. Once you have your tag name and description set up, look for the Add New Tag button, typically found below these fields. Simply click on it to finalize and add your new tag to the inventory. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new tag to your WordPress site. Adding relevant tags is a great way to organize your content and make it more discoverable. Remember, good tags can help increase traffic by making your site's content more visible to the right audience. Keep experimenting with different keywords and always keep your audience in mind. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.